Hello guys, so we are going to continue a discussion with respect to multi-threading and multi-processing. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about implementing multi-threading with the help of thread pool executor. So what exactly this is? With the help of thread pool executor, we will be managing the entire threads. This is an advanced technique that is specifically used while we implement the application with the help of multi-threading itself. Okay, so first of all, what I am actually going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and import one important library which is called as from concurrent dot futures. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and import this thread pool executor. You'll be able to understand what exactly this thread pool executor will do in just some time. Now I'm going to go ahead and import my time. Okay, this will be the library. Let me just go ahead and create my numbers like print underscore number. Okay, and here I'm just going to give one number. Let's go ahead and make this time dot sleep. I'm just going to make it sleep for 1 second while it is executing. And here we are just going to return this f string. And here let me just go ahead and write number colon, and this will be nothing but it'll be number. Okay, so this print numbers, let's say I will also go ahead and create my list. So here will be the list 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I want to probably give this entire list to this particular function. Now what I'm actually going to do, I'll use this thread pool executor. So let's see this. So with thread pool executor, I will just go ahead and write max underscore workers is equal to, I'll say, hey, go ahead and create 3 threads. Okay, and try to execute this particular code. This will be much more loosely coupled when compared to the previous one where we had to go ahead and create each and every threads. So here we will go ahead and write, this will be my results, and we will take this particular context variable called as executor, and then we will map. We'll use a function called as map. Okay, we will write our function over here, that is print number, and what all list we specifically needs to apply, right? So this will basically be my numbers. And this will be managed entirely by my 3 threads because I have taken max underscore worker is equal to 3. Now let me just go ahead and write for result in results. Okay, I will go ahead and print my result. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and execute this and let's see, because multi-threading can also be done with the help of this thread pool executor. Okay, so let's see the output. So here I will just go ahead and write Python advanced multi-processing. Oh no, I'll just go ahead and say multi-threading.py. Okay, once I execute it, now let's see this. Okay, so number 1 2 3 4 5, see how fast it is being able to execute, even though I give the time.sleep is equal time.sleep. We are sleeping this entire threads by 1 second, right? But since we are working with 3 processes, you'll be able to see this. Okay, let me just go ahead and create some more numbers like 6 7 8 9 0 1 2 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and execute this again, right? Even though we are making the thread sleep for 1 second, since we have multiple threads over here, we are able to get the output, right? And the best thing about this is that here also you can see I'm able to get the output, right? This was one with respect to this. You can also go ahead and use the time, and you can probably check out what the time is all about, right? Like how much time is basically taking to get executed. Now similarly, since we use multi-threading with the help of something called as thread pool executor, now we also have multi-processing with the help of process pool executor. So this process pool executor will be managing the entire processes, how we'll be creating the processes and all. Okay, again this will be present in on concurrent dot futures. I will just go ahead and import process pool executor. Okay, along with this we'll go ahead and import time. Okay, and let's use the same function. Let's say I'm going to use square over here, and I'm going to probably run this entire function with different process. Okay, for different numbers. So let's say I will go ahead and create my numbers over here is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then I will just go ahead and write with process pool executor, and here I'm going to probably take my max underscore workers. Let's say I'll go ahead with 2 processes or 3 processes, it is up to us, as executor. And remember, this will be going to use all the cores in my CPU. Okay, how many cores I have. Then we'll go ahead and write results, and again we can use this executor dot map, And let's call this particular function with respect to the map. You know that we can call this function and give a list of parameters like numbers. Okay. And now I will just go ahead and write for result in results. Let's go ahead and print this specific results. Okay. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and execute it again. This time I will just go ahead and write Python advance underscore multi underscore p processing.py. So once I execute it, I am able to get an execution error. The process in the pool was terminated while the future was running or pending. Okay, let me do one thing over here. Again, the same thing I will try to do. Here, I will just go ahead and write my underscore name underscore. Okay, is double equal to underscore main underscore. I'll just keep an entry point. Usually in this process, it will be demanding this kind of entry point. Okay. So let me just go ahead and press shift, press tab. Now I think it should be able to run. Okay. Again, I will go ahead and execute it. Now here you can see my multiprocessor will be running. Now I've got square 1, 4, 3, 9, 16, 25, right? So I'm able to work along with this, and you'll be able to see that along with this, we are able to get our, over here, we have just used multiple processes to run this entire code. And here I can keep any big list of number that I want. Let's say 11 to 12, 14, and let's run this. Okay. And here you'll be able to see the difference, how fast it will be able to execute all these things, right? So yes, now it has been allocating all the process, and now it has been ready to run it in different processes, and how quickly you are able to run this, even though you're making it sleep for 2 seconds. So let's increase the timer also. I'll just go ahead and write time.sleep is equal to 2. And now let's go ahead and execute this. So for the first time, I think it will just going to sleep for 2 seconds. Later on, it will allocate to all processes and it is going to quickly run. Okay. So here you can see I'm able to get the entire response. So I hope you're able to understand this. These are some advanced techniques with respect to multi-threading. In multi-threading, we use something called as thread pool executor. In multi-processing, we use something called as press pool executor. So yeah, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. More amazing examples I'll be taking with respect to multi-threading and multi-processing, because this is something really important and everybody should know this, right? So I'll be discussing more examples as we go ahead. Thank you.